My name's Lyndon Jones. I'm the Director of the Centre for Contact Lens Research at the University of Waterloo in Ontario, Canada. Our group works with all of the contact lens industry to develop new contact lens materials, contact lens solutions and dry eye products, and I have the privilege to, at this meeting, have talked about some of the developments that will happen potentially over the next 20 to 25 years as far as contact lenses that could really revolutionise contact lens practice globally. Of these, I think probably four things are worthy of discussion. One would be the use of contact lenses to slow the progression of myopia. We know that globally myopia progression is a big problem. We see significant numbers of patients now who have very high levels of myopia, and in subsequent life or in later life these develop a significant number of problems with things like the development of cataracts, glaucoma, macular degeneration and also detachment. So being able to slow the progression of myopia is a big deal. We now have new contact lens designs that control peripheral aberrations, and these, along with the use of orthokeratology in a number of studies, have now been shown to result in somewhere in the region of 30 to maybe 45% reduction in the progression of myopia. So that will certainly be of great interest over the next 5 years or so. In addition to that, we're looking at the use of contact lenses to be able to monitor and treat disease. There is already a product on the market that is able to monitor intraocular pressure. It's made from a Swiss company, and that's in clinical trials in a number of countries and have had a number of publications. In addition, we're looking at the development of contact lenses that can look at, for example, changes in glucose levels in the tear film, which could be useful in the management of diabetic eye disease, and also potentially looking at monitoring things like cancer markers in the tear film. In addition to the ability of contact lenses to be able to look at the development of disease, we're also now looking at the use of contact lenses to manage disease. Things like contact lenses that have a slow release of antibiotics, in addition to steroids, and things like anti-allergy agents, which again could be very useful in patients who have disease, and rather than having to put drops in on a regular basis, be able to use contact lenses. The final thing that's really of great interest at the moment is the potential for using contact lenses for things like head-up displays. And again, a number of companies are looking at being able to potentially use contact lenses with an aid to be able to potentially be able to, for example, view your email whilst driving. There already are moves afoot to put that into spectacle lenses, and now people are looking at whether that development can occur in contact lenses as well. So I think the contact lens industry is very healthy at the moment, and certainly there are going to be some tremendous developments over the next 15 to 20 years.